This forum is very successful and meaningful, and over 70 scholars from all over the world, about 8 countries, has shared their research findings here, and we discussed a lot about the development of Trans-Himalaya region, and the fruitful findings will help different countries to develop themselves. And according to my opinion, the development is the most important thing, and the cooperation is the second important thing. And we should do a lot, and we should push and looking forward the future, and we also will dedicate ourselves into such career. And in the future, we can expect the brighter future.